So to link a document from the Google Drive to the website, what you would do is go to whatever page where you want to put the document. I don't have a particular page, so I'm just going to quick add a page. So I'll add a page, we'll add a blank page. We'll just call it test for the moment. All right, as you can see, the test page ended up here on the main navigation menu, which I don't want it up there. So we'll do a left click and then drag it down to below Paris Life, and then that moves it down to Paris Life. Okay. All right, so here's our test page. As you can see, it's an empty page. This is where I want to put this document from the Google Drive. So we'll edit this. We're going to add a section. We'll do a blank section. I'm going to add a text block. We'll call this Google Drive test page. I'll make that nice and big. I'll get to that. Wonderful. All right, so now to link a Google Drive document, whether it's a document or a sheet or whatever, to the website, hit Add Block, and then go down to Embed. Okay, and again, you can drag the embed to wherever you want it on the page, and then hit Edit. Okay, so now in Edit, we want to go to Code Snippet, and then Embed Data. All right, so we need to get a code here. So now what we're going to do is go to our Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and share the calendar of weddings to the Paris website. So I'm going to go to File, and then Share, and then Publish to Web. Okay. So we have two options here, Link and Embed. So we're going to do Embed, and we want to embed the entire document. All right. So now, if you go down to Published Content and Settings, just make sure that this box here is checked, because that will automatically republish when changes are made. So whatever changes you make to your document on the drive, it'll automatically change and update it on the Paris website. So just make sure that that's checked. All right, so we're going to publish this document. So publish. Do we want to? Yes. All right, here's the code that we're looking for. So we'll highlight that, and we will Control-C to copy that, and then go back to the Paris website. And then this is where we're going to put that code. All right. And then as you can see, the document shows up here on the website. But the issue here is that the document, you can't see the whole document. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to modify this. We need to modify the parameters of it. So again, we'll just Control-C, copy that. And then what I do is I go to just a Word document, a blank Word document, and then Control-V, or paste that into here. So what we need to do is we need to replace this text right here. All right, and what we want to replace it with is this. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there instead. Okay, and an important thing to note here are the spaces. Like right now, there's a space in between that. There's a space in between that equal sign and the false, the word false, which shouldn't be there because it wasn't there originally. So just make sure that you don't alter the spacing of anything. So if you want to somewhere, just maybe type this out as it is. There's a space there, and then there aren't any other spaces in the whole thing. So this is our new kind of adjusted code. So now we're going to copy that, Control-C, we're going to go back to the website, and now put this in there instead. So Control-V, we're going to paste that in there. So now you can see we have much more of the document showing, but still I want to see more of the document going this way. So I'm going to change the width to 200% instead of 100%. Okay, that makes it wider, but I still want some more over here, so let's try 300%. Okay, let's try 350%. How's that? Oh, that's a little too much. Okay. There we go, 350. All right. And then the height seems to be okay because people can scroll down using the usual scroll thing here. So I'm comfortable with 350%. Okay, so that looks good. All right. Good. All right, we'll click out here, and then we will go ahead and save. All right. So that's how you get a document from the drive, all right, linked to the website. And whatever you change here on the drive will automatically appear here on the website.